Welcome to Skyfold Flight. I'm Ashish, and today we're going to make a paper airplane with a very unique design. This airplane is called the Nakamura Lock, designed by the famous paper airplane designer A.G. Nakamura. What makes this plane special is its unique locking system. It holds the different layers of the paper together, helping prevent the plane from unfolding while it's flying. So, without wasting any time, let's start building it. For this airplane, you'll need one 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper. First, place the paper in front of you and fold the right edge over to the left edge. Make a clean crease, then unfold the paper. Now we have a center crease. This crease will be our main guide for the rest of the folding process. Next, take the top right corner and fold it toward the center crease. Make sure the edge lines up nicely with the center line. Now do exactly the same thing with the top left corner. After folding both sides, you should have a large triangular shape at the top of the paper. Now, fold this entire upper triangle downward. Press the crease firmly so it stays nice and sharp. Next, take the upper right section and fold it toward the center crease. The point should meet the center line about 1 inch above the bottom point. You don't need to make this measurement perfectly exact. Just try to keep the fold close to this position. Now repeat the same fold on the other side. Make sure both sides are as symmetrical as possible, with the 2 points sitting close together. Next, take the small point at the bottom and fold it upward. This small flap creates the Nakamura lock. It helps lock the different layers of the paper together and keeps the airplane securely folded. Now fold the entire airplane in half along the center crease. Next, it's time to create the wings. Take the top edge and fold it down toward the bottom edge. Press the crease firmly to create the first wing. Now flip the paper over and repeat the exact same fold on the other side to create the second wing. Take a moment to check both wings. Try to make sure they are even and have a similar angle. This will help the airplane stay balanced during flight. And that's it. Your Nakamura lock paper airplane is now complete. But before we fly it, there's one important adjustment you should make. Look at the airplane from the back and make sure both wings are angled slightly upward. Don't keep them completely flat. A slight upward angle can help the airplane stay more stable and fly straighter. And now comes the most exciting part. After all that folding, let's see how far our Nakamura lock can fly. When launching the airplane, use a smooth and controlled throw. You don't need to throw it extremely hard. If the airplane turns to one side, make small adjustments to the wings and try again. And now, let's see the flight. If you enjoyed this paper airplane tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Skyfold Flight for more awesome paper airplane designs. And don't forget to leave a comment and tell me how far your Nakamura lock was able to fly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next paper airplane video. Happy folding.